It's time to introduce the new metallic watercolours from Altenew. Hi, it's Therese on Lostinpaper, and I am really excited to be part of the hop introducing the new metallic watercolours from Altenew. These have been a long time coming. I saw a sneak peek of them, I think it was at Creativation, and I've been impatiently waiting since then. So I thought I'd do an unboxing. Now there's 14 colours in total and they come in a tin. So this is actually a travel case, so you can actually use as a thumb holder there so you don't drop it while you're painting, and it has a couple of palettes so you can mix colours or decant colours out of the little pans if you don't like to contaminate them, which is something I get a bit weird about. Comes with one of the Altenew water brushes, which so you can actually have water within the well of the brush as well. And I thought I'd just quickly swatch out these colours. Now this is on white cardstock, and look how much colour you can see just on the white cardstock. Where these colours really come into their own is on dark cardstock. So I have cut this cardstock so it fits within my travel case, and that way I can refer to it. I did write the names of the colours after they dried on top of the colours, or sort of beside them, and all the names of the colours are actually written on the box itself. What I want to do is actually swatch them out on different coloured cardstocks as well, and that's just going to give me an idea of what they look like. I've got the real grey cardstock, which is what I thought I'd use for my card today, and just tested a couple of colours here, and look how vibrant they are. It's like they're opaque. Now this is a fairly sturdy cardstock. It's an Altenew colour. They've got 3 different greys. It's like their middle version, and I've cut a piece of the cardstock just slightly smaller than the front of my top fold card. I'm stamping out a couple of images here. They're from the Ruffled Flowers stamp set, and white heat embossing those with the pure white crisp embossing ink. No, it's not. With the embossing powder. And I did actually prep my panel with a powder tool to stop any strays from being embossed where I didn't want them to. And I just thought the well was going to make it, and the white was going to give it a really nice border for my image, and I think it looks great. These colours just were so easy to paint on this. I didn't try any blending or mixing or anything too fancy. I simply just laid the colour down as a flat colour. I added a bit of water, but not a lot of water, because this isn't watercolour cardstock. But because it is quite a sturdy, thick cardstock, it did tolerate it quite well. And this is in real time at the moment, this colouring. So it was really simple to do. And it didn't take very long to dry either. So you might have noticed I repeated the image on opposite corners of the piece of cardstock. And that way it just kind of gives a bit of a balance to my card. I just wanted it to be, I think these metallic colours really sort of tend towards an elegant design and would be really nice on invitations or like wedding cards or engagement cards, sympathy cards, and today I decided to do a hello card. I didn't want to use the green on the leaves, so I did come in with the silver here, and I think that looked really pretty. And like I was saying before, this is part of a hop, so I'll put the link in the description below. You can find out how you can win if you're here in October 2019, and also to find the links to the other people who are hopping along, because there's going to be so much inspiration and so many ideas. Oh, look at the shimmer. How cool is that? Okay, I'm going to be using the, it's the Fancy Hello die. I've die cut it out of some jet black cardstock, and again out of some fun foam, and then just layering the two together with some matte medium. And while that's just off to the side drying, I thought I'd pop up my panel, and I've used some Be Creative tape and some fun foam, and just attaching that to the front of my top fold card. And then I can just gently remove, this is quite an intricate die. I like to take the center pieces out of the die cut first and then sort of weed it out of the fun foam. And this particular die, fun foam, has adhesive on the back of it. So I just had to peel that away, and then I could just stick it directly on the top of my card. How pretty is that green? I think it's called aquamarine. Yeah, that's it. So if you like this video, please like it, and if you haven't already, I would love it if you'd subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would love to see you here again real soon, when I'll be back with yet another video. Till then, happy paper crafting. Bye.